ॐ श्री साई नाथाय नमः।
Sairam. The amount of bhakti you have towards your beloved Lord or Guru, the result will be the same. Maybe in multiples also. Do you know, in Baba's incident, Baba's life, many things have happened similarly. Perhaps you might have studied all those things in our Chatsarithras. So this time, I would like to tell an incident in the history of our great saint, Tukaram, Sant Tukaram. You might have heard about him. He was a great devotee of Lord Panduranga Vitala. When he was living, his mere concentration was not in his family and his children. Only his wife was trying very hard to make out the living with some meager income of cow's income and some works outside for her like that. But whatever job offered to Tukaram, his concentration was not on the job. His concentration was always on Lord Panduranga Vitala. So his wife, she became fed up with him, and after so many requests, he was not careful in the day-to-day affairs of the family. He used to always explain about Lord Panduranga to his wife and to the public. He used to write a lot of abhangas or the poetries about Lord Panduranga and explain to people or sing all those things in the temple of Lord Panduranga. Since he belongs to a low caste, people of higher caste people did not like him, and everyone didn't take him much serious about that he is a great devotee and all. But it so happened, gradually people started understanding about him and his very easy words about explanations and the beautiful explanations about his poetries. So they started admiring him. So many of the higher caste people did not like him to become famous in that area, in his village and all. So, but he was very steady in his worship. He was very steady in his going to temple and all, as usual, without caring for his family. One day he said to his family that he is going to Lord Panduranga to Vaikuntha, and Garuda Vahana is coming to pick him up. But no one was believing, and his wife also was not believing this. How come the Garuda Vahana will come to pick up a human being like that? He is blabbering and like that. His wife thought, and she didn't care much for it. But the village people also, when he told all of them, my beloved people, if you want to get the position of Lord Vishnu's feet, you please tell him the Panduranga Vitala's name. Panduranga, 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 Panduranga. He used to chant this name like you breathe, like you eat, like that. It so happened for everyone surprised the day he mentioned, the Garuda Vahana came and picked him up. after when he was started flying one day, people realized that the Lord Vishnu have given him the boon to him to reach Vaikuntha with his life, body and soul without any perishment. You could imagine how the bhakti and surrender could achieve even such a miracle. Sairam.
ॐ